Hello everyone, today I will restore this old knife. This video is divided in two parts. In the first part I will restore the handle, and in the second one I will explain how to sharpen it. To replace the missing handle I use epoxy. It is a liquid resin that looks like hard plastic once it sets. Mix component A with component B, add 3 different colors to achieve the marble effect, and voila! I can throw it all in the garbage. Always read the instruction before you use high corrosive components. Well, I didn't, and I messed up the first batch, part of my countertop and my wife's favorite mug. Anyway, I made a new batch and poured into a PVC tube with the handle in it and let it set overnight. I should have used a spray oil for an easy unmolding. After I removed the handle from the tube, I sanded it out and shaped it. Now I have a unique foot-safe handle. Now it's time for the blade. To remove the scratches, I use 1000 grit sandpaper and water. After 30 minutes of scrubbing, they are all gone. I use toothpaste to make it shine. The blade is pretty dull. To sharpen my knife, I only use 2 stones. One Naniva Chosera 800 grit. It is a Japanese natural whetstone, and an artificial stone of 8000 grit to polish it. To find the correct angle, place 2 coins on the stone. Press the knife with 3 fingers and move back and forth, keeping same angle and pressure. Use water to increase friction. If you change the angle, a different sound will be produced. I will show you a correct sound and a wrong angle sound. As soon as a black goo in between the knife and the stone forms, keep it to help the sharpening process. Continue sharpening it from the bottom to the top until you feel a burr on the side of the blade. Flip it and repeat the process. After that, I do 10 strokes on each side and move to the next grip. Not super sharp, but I am happy with the result. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.